Have you ever wondered about the various invisible forces that influence your mind, influence how you think and how you behave, how you see yourself and how you see others, and how they see you and how they see themselves? Have you ever wondered about the invisible bars that divide us and separate us all, and how they may have formed? If you haven't, maybe you will.
White boy, where you at?
Conditioned to greed, power and division, false societal norms, and acceptance is given. Trained to be accepted according to the demands of the machine. But what if the machine demands all the wrong things? Taught to divide and separate us from each other. Division of people, a tool employed by Big Brother. Stimulus applied, response division evoked. Separation through class, race, religion invoked. Divided at birth, categorized and classified. Institutions of separation employed can dehumanize. Separated by color, class and ethnicity. Division employed to encroach on our liberties. Mindsmith mold masses, mass manipulation. People pursue purchases, Pavlovian population. Trained to consume, rewarded with insecurity. Capitalizing off a system that breeds inequality. Realities manufactured through psychological weaponry. Lies sold to the masses through this covert treachery. Advertisers pulling strings with invisible weapons. Depictions of success sold through a picture of a felon. Gun-toting gangsters, a Pavlovian dilemma. Manchurian mobsters created to serve an agenda. Joseph Goebbels Incorporated grasped the minds of the masses. Cerebral assassins selling propaganda in classes. Sit down, stand up, as if by remote. Blind of the drivers in pursuit of a banknote. Assault on the subconscious, to drive behavior. Blind purchases are made with a piece of green paper. Petri dish populations without consent. In the name of science, they feel correct. Autonomy in question, drones of consumption. Decisions without thinking, in mass production. Taught what is hot, taught what is not. Formulation of opinions without any thought. Consume and repeat, the cycle continues. Resources deplete, Mother Earth's on the menu. Marketing used to emphasize the external, while truth wealth resides within the internal. Happiness sold in the form of an object. Materialistic ideals used as a venom to infect your soul and your mind. Consumptive behavior, materials define you, and a piece of green paper. A product of this society, materialism. Everyone in pursuit, no wonder the schism. Depictions of beauty, sold as superficial. Dysmorphic impressions of attractive are artificial. Seeds of impression implanted in secrecy. Relying on a cover to see what's wrong in society. Your mind the battleground for psychological assaults. A stone misshapen, misformed. Who was at fault? Commercial systemic. Given IV, circulation to the masses who are too blind to see. Marketing's hammer at work, material populations. Advertisers play master of this Pavlovian nation. The people fell victim, now trained to devour. Harvesting resources, raping earth of her power. Conditioned division, conditioned behaviors. Social hierarchies based upon a piece of green paper. Divided we stand, together we fall. When we support a system of division that divides us all.
WhiteBoyBeats.com. WhiteBoyBeats.com.